Hello students. So in this video we are going to talk about the procedure of availing seats which are reserved for NRI, NRI sponsored and foreign category in NUALS Kochi. Right now NUALS Kochi has released a notification saying that calling for expression of interest for those who want to avail this NRI sponsored NRI and foreign category seats. Right now if you look at the earlier notification, it said that the last date was 15th of April 2024, but now this has been extended. This is the new notification which says that you can fill this till 25th of May 2024. Right, so the first thing is the last deadline in order to avail the NRI sponsored NRI and foreign category seats at NUALS is 25th of May 2024. Now the second question is, how do you avail this? Right, in order to avail these seats, the first thing, if you look at the notification, it says that it's not required that, if you look at this particular point, it says that candidates who seek admission under NRI sponsored quota in NULS are exempted from CLAT 2024. That means out of all those students who apply for the NRI sponsored and NRI category seats, the merit list will not be drawn on CLAT 2024 scores, but instead on your 10 plus 12 examination or equivalent examination score. Right, so what is required here is not CLAT 2024 but a good class 12th percentage, which will be used. Your class 12th percentage will be used to draw the merit list, and if you are in the merit list, you will be called for further online counseling or offline counseling as and when the merit list will be drawn. Now you come here, apart from that, the condition that if you look at other NLUs, they say that CLAT 2024, it's required to attend CLAT 2024 in order to avail seats. But here in NULS, we see the exception. It says that you are exempted. Only your class 10 plus 2 scores will be considered. Right now, how to do this? Right, the admission fee, the application fee in this regard is 5,000 rupees. So you have to pay the 5,000 along with the payment receipt, the demand draft that you will make in favor of this particular university of 5,000 rupees. You also have to fill this application. Right now, the link to this application will be provided to you. Now you have to take the printout of this and you have to fill in all the details here along with this application form that you're going to fill here right now. You have to scan this along with the scanned document of this application. You also have to attach all these required applications. Right, if you see NRI sponsorship certificate, right, if you are availing NRI sponsor category, right, then declaration by the parents, declaration by the candidates, you have to fill this, scan this and upload this. Along with this, you have to you have to upload all these set of documents as well. Right now, if you come to what are the set of documents that are required to be attached, now this is for foreign national category, this application. So you will find different application for different category. So you first have to confirm that under which category you are availing. So if it's NRI sponsored, then you need to fill the application for NRI sponsored. Right, apart from that, the list of documents that are required to be attached is also provided, and you have to upload all those enclosures as well. If you look here, what are the enclosures? Birth certificate, your +2 level examination results. Right, then if it's in grade system, a percentage conversion certificate as to what grades amount to what percent. Then copy of passport and valid residence permit of the sponsorer if you are availing sponsor seat. Your passport if you are a foreign nationals and availing the foreign national seats. Right, then certificate from Indian embassy, then all these documents, set of documents, and at the end you have to write the number, the demand draft number, and the date on which you have drawn the demand draft of 5,000 rupees in favor of this particular entity. All the set of document you have to combine it into a mail, and you have to send to the authority as mentioned. Right, I hope that this video was useful and would have made navigating through this particular procedure easy. But if you have any further query, you can use the comment box or our support number, Abhyaas support number, to reach out for clarification with regards to any of the doubts that you have. Right, with that we come to end. Thank you so much.